Okay, let those dry for at least an hour or so. Then I'll put my stickers on there. Little eye bolts and a chain. And then I went to my local sign shop and had some numbers made from 0 to 21. I could have just got some numbered stencils myself, but these are already all spaced out for you, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now I'm ready to put on my hinges. Okay, there it is there. I got that ready to put my chain on. So I've got this little chain from the hardware store. It's some eye bolts. So I'm going to cut it to the length I want this to open to, you know. And just be careful not to go all the way through the other side. Okay, there it is there. My scoreboard for cornhole. Now I made these little, I painted these little golf tees. Yellow and blue. So when you want to keep score, put them in there, put them in there. No more arguments on what the score is. Pretty simple to make. Okay, I just finished these. I made these last week. I have a link on how I made these. It's on my YouTube channel. Pretty basic. You can customize these any way you like, any color.